I got a bunch of Amazon packages with house update sort of things in there. So I'm super excited to get those open and show you everything that I got. Okay, so I just opened my tripod. These are batteries, and these are light bulbs. These are screwless wall, like outlet and light switch covers. So they just like clip on. This is a cable concealer for all the wires that go to my TV. These are like motion light sensors for underneath the countertop. Okay, so this is a little light that's gonna go underneath the counter. Just take the back off. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's so much brighter. Wow, I'll actually be able to see the dishes that I'm cleaning. It's insane. So my mom had this fabric shaver, so I can use it on the couch. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna use it. I don't even know, can you see that better? All those pills compared to nothing on this one, and the pilling on that one. There you go, you can see the pills versus that's the one I did. It doesn't have anything on it. This one has a bunch of bumpies on it. Okay, so this is how you just turn it on. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Hold on. All right. So that is the cartridge. That's all that came out. Just that little piece of the couch. All that went. That's a lot. And I got the whole couch to go. Hopefully. This couch looks brand new when it's done. I'm multitasking. Getting so much work done. Okay, I just got home from my Walmart pickup. 50-inch TV in the back of my Challenger. I don't think I'll be able to get this out by myself, but I might try. It's so much brighter. Okay, it's a few days later. That's my chandelier. I did also end up getting my TV put up. So that's up there. I also did a little cord management. So this little thing hides the cords and keeps it all nice and tidy up there. So that's that. And then the cord that goes from the wall to the couch. And that is everything. That's my little house update for this week.